Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Abdullah Shfaq, and today I'm going to tell you about how to get a clinical attachment in the UK. As I previously mentioned about how to pass the PLAB exam, so today I'm going to tell you about how to get a clinical attachment in the UK. So first of all, I need to tell about what the clinical attachment is. It is actually the observership when you go to the UK. So you need it because to improve your portfolio, to improve your CV, so to get the experience of the NHS. So the people usually do clinical attachment when they will go for the when they will go for the exam in the UK for the PLAB 2. So the most important thing is how to get a clinical attachment in the UK because of the saturation and many of the people are applying all over the world, so it is difficult to get attachment in the UK. So what I advise you, but what I recommend you is to apply for the clinical attachment at least 4 to 5 months before going to the UK. Before going to the UK, that's the very important thing, because when you start applying at least 4 to 5 months before going to the UK, then you will find the clinical attachment during your time span after the exam. So most of the people usually do the clinical attachment after the PLAB exam. That's a good thing, but you can do your observership before the exam. It all depends upon you. Or if you are living in the UK, you can do whenever you can. So first of all, let's discuss about the fee. Usually, clinical attachments are unpaid. Sometimes you have to pay for the clinical attachment, and Alhamdulillah, I have done my clinical attachment during my whole journey at Glenfield Hospital, Leicester, under Dr. Neil Bhardwaj, who is a hepatobiliary surgeon. So I have done the clinical attachment in the hepatobiliary surgery department at Glenfield Hospital, Leicester. So sometimes you have to pay for the clinical attachment. Sometimes it's free, and sometimes you have to pay for the documentation, like one like 150 pounds I have given to the occupational health clearance. So most of the hospitals want the clearance from the occupational health department to work as a clinical attachee in the hospital under the NHS. So some consultants or hospitals give paid clinical attachment, like you have to pay for the clinical attachment. So that's about the fee of the observership. So after this, the most important thing is how to apply for the clinical attachment. So let us discuss about how to apply. So first of all, you need to know that the UK system, the NHS system, works on the emails. So you have to find the emails of the consultants. So and the question is where you can find the emails of the consultant. So discuss with the senior, discuss with those people who have already done the clinical attachment in the UK, because most of the files of the emails of the consultants are circulating nowadays. So you can get the files and you can get the consultant mails from your friends or from your seniors, and you can apply on that. And the other option is that which is authentic option and a good option. You have to do by both ways. The second option is that go to the Google. As you can see that if you want to do a clinical attachment in London, so just search NHS hospitals in London. So you can find the trust in the London, and you can click on that, and you can see that on the screen. So when you will go onto the website, you can see find a consultant written on their website of the hospital, and when you click on that, you can find the consultants and their relative departments. And after this, you need to if you want to work on a specific department, like acute medicine in surgery, you need to find the consultant of that department, and when you click on that, you can find the email of the consultant. It's a long process. Then you have to pick the mail, and then you have to mail the consultant. So when you get the email from of the consultant, then you have to mail it. And what the things you have to mail it. So first of all, you have to write the subject that clinical attachment under your supervision, and then there is a template. I'm going to share the template with you on my description, or you can you can see on the screen as well, or you can join my WhatsApp group. I will share in the WhatsApp group as well. So here there's a template which you have to write. You can copy paste it, and you have to write the time duration in which you want a clinical attachment, and the stuff that I have mentioned in the template. So, and you have to attach your CV as well. You can make your CV like as you can make your CV on any website. It's just a CV, and you have to write in the CV that you are a graduate doctor from Pakistan, and or any other part of the world, and you have to write in the CV that you have done this work in your home country. Like if you talk about the house job, you have to write the experience of your house job on the CV. So I am going to share my CV on the WhatsApp groups as well, so you can see how to make a CV. So and you have to mail the consultant after these things. So first of all, find the email of the consultant, then email the consultant and write the template of the email, and then attach the CV with email and then send to the consultant. And it depends on your luck, and if the consultant replies, then you have to do the documentation uh, to get the observership under that consultant. So it's a long process, so you have to apply at least 4 to 5 months before going to the UK. So then HR departments will contact you, and then you have to do some documentation. You have to provide some your visa and your identifications, your passport to the HR department. Then you will find the observership. So I have done my observership in the hepatobiliary department. It depends on you. Some consultants give you 2 weeks observership, some 3 weeks, and some consultants will give you 4 weeks observership. So uh, these are the things that you need to know about the observership. And when you will start doing the observership, you have to build some portfolio. You have to do audits under the in the department. You have to learn work, how the NHS work, and you have to build your references to find a good job in future. So this is all about how you can find the clinical attachment in the UK. And one important thing, you have to apply at least 40 to 50. You have to apply for 40 to 50 uh, mails per day to find a clinical attachment, and you have to apply for that continuously. Like you need to apply, and you need to mail at least 40 to 50 consultants daily, and you need to do it regularly. So after that, you can find a single or two replies from the consultants, because some of the consultants usually don't reply you. Some of the consultants will reply you, and some will share the HR department mails. So it depends on your luck, and it depends on how you are applying. So it's better if you want to find a clinical attachment earlier, so talk to the persons who have already done the clinical attachment in the UK, discuss with them, take the emails of the consultants who have given the clinical attachment to other people as well. So I also find mine observership as my senior, one of my friend have already done in that department. So my friend have given me the mail, so I have mailed to that consultant. He has also given me the observership. So that's how I got it, observership in the Leicester. So discuss with the people as well, with your seniors especially, and mail the consultants. This is how you can find the clinical attachment in the UK. So I'm going to share my WhatsApp channel in the description. I'm going to share the link, so you can discuss with me anything, and you can ask any question in the comment section as well. So that's all. So kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.